Good morning, students. Welcome back to Social Studies class. Chapter 7, The Climate of India. Take your Social Studies book, page number 50-51. So, till now we have discussed about weather and climate, climatic zones. There are 4 climatic zones: alpine zone, subtropical zone, tropical zone, arid zone. So, today we will study about the seasons. The climate of India can be divided into through 3 main seasons. So Indian climate can be divided into 3 major seasons: winter season, summer season and the rainy seasons. First we will see the winter season. So as you know very well, winter season starts from October to early March. The coldest months of the year are December and January. So in winter, the days become very shorter and nights become longer. It is extremely cold in hilly areas. If you are going to hill station, so to compare plain area, hilly area, extremely very cold. Many places in Himalayan region receive heavy snowfall. It is very cold in northern plains. The coastal areas have a pleasant weather during winters. So the winter season starts from November. Actually, here October, but now till October we are getting the sunny. So November and last it till March. So the peak winter is December and January 1. So during the winter times, the days become shorter and the nights become longer. Coastal areas, near the coastal areas have their pleasant weather during the winter seasons. Next, summer season. So the summer season starts from March or April and continue till June. So in India, summer starts from April and continued March from March or April from March till continue to June. So during summer, the rays of the sun are nearly vertical. Hence, it is very hot. Why we are getting very hot? Because the sun rays are nearly vertical. Hence, it is very hot. During the summer season, the days are longer and the nights are shorter. The heat becomes unbearable in May and June. In June month, too much of heat. We cannot unbearable that heat. Hot winds called Lu. Please underline this one. Hot winds called Lu begin to blow in the northern plains. Dust storms are common in this season. So dust storms, as you have already studied, dust storms are common in this season. The southern part of India is not as hot as the northern plain. Many people move from the plains to hill station during summers to enjoy the cool and pleasant climate there. So that is why people used to move to compare plain hill station. They will enjoy the cool and pleasant. That's why many of the people during summer time they used to visit the hill station as a tourist. The high peaks of the Himalayas remain covered with snow even during the summer. During the summer time, the high peaks of the Himalayas remain covered with snow only. Is it clear? Summer season. So next, let us move on. Rainy season. The whole country gets rainfall in July, which is the rainiest month. July month means it is rainy season, rainiest month in the coastal areas of Kerala, near Malabar coast and Mumbai Konkan coast. It starts raining in June. The rain-bearing winds start blowing from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal to the land. They are called monsoon winds. What are monsoon winds? The rain-bearing winds start blowing from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal to the land. They are called monsoon winds. Many parts of India, such as if you are see western coast and northeastern states, they receive very heavy rainfall, especially western coast and northeastern states. They will receive very heavy rainfall. Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in the world. Underline this one. Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in the world. The monsoon winds move further north into Gujarat and Rajasthan, which gets very low rainfall. So this monsoon winds little moving, okay, from further north into Gujarat and Rajasthan, they will get very low rainfall. Monsoon winds from the Arabian Sea enter the plateau region to their moisture decreases. They provide less rainfall to interior areas. That so today in the seasons we have discussed about seasons, winter season, summer season and rainy season. We have completed this whole lesson, the climate of India. Please go through the entire lessons. If you have any doubt, you can ask me during clarification time. That's all for today class. I hope you all understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.